In bush, we have to spear things to live. And here is Noxie hunting a microwave oven. Okay, let's go. See if we can get it. You're gonna starve.
Come on, mate. It's your technology.
Shit.
You're gonna kill the road before you kill the microwave.
Keep just fucking missing one of the dents.
You might have to do like sort of like a joust more.
I'll turn you back a bit further.
You're not gonna get your dinner that way.
You might have to hunt it with a tomahawk.
I want one more for goodness.
Oh, he speared it. No, oh.
Now can I use my hammer?
Now that the microwave has been fallen, it's up to the hunter to finish it off.
Come on, Hunter.
Come on, Hunter.
Do you want me to go up and hit it off Rubis?
Just finish it off. It's your dinner, man. Oh, fuck.
Come on, Hunter.
Oh, man.
You've got well improved technology.
As the microwave fiercely flails its door in defense. Oh, shit, it's pretty hard.
It's solid freaking metal, that's just a
Is it?
liner.
I'll just... Shit.
Can I try my luck?
It's pretty solid.
Give me a second. I'm gonna try. I want to see if I can at least move this thing with a hit.
Okay, go. Oh, shit.
Hey, we might need a spear.
Shit. It's pretty fucking impressive. It's like a...
Do you want me to go out not holding back then?
Yeah, just give it everything, man.
Okay.
As high as you can, man. 1, 2, 6. Oh, shit, man.
Okay, I'll give it everything.
So if there's ever a nuclear war, make sure you shelter in the microwave.
Yeah. You'll need this less improved technology.
Okay, let's see if we can run it through. It's like the Terminator. Okay, go. Oh shit! Look, okay, let's have a look inside. And it's just spin it round. Spin it round. You're turning the turntable. Look at that. Guff. Holy shit.
About the door. It's like I heard it's hit resistant, this door.
See if you can take the door off. Oh,
Now retreat, chicken. Retreat.
did it now?
Yes.
We can make it like a fire. Oh shit, we can
Think
make
we
it.
can do it now?
Just put another ventilation hole in, right? Oh, I think we'd be right. Just one more after that. And we can make a little fire inside it. Yeah, that's it. One more.
3 for good measure.
That's it. Now we just do a fire inside it and we can cook everything we need to survive. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
That's going to take a long time to clean up.
Peace out.